What's up, guys? What's up, world? What's up, YouTube? It's your favorite Uncle Elroy 14. What's up, guys? So, I know I missed y'all last week, and I'm so sorry, but something happened. I did all this work. I did these videos, and I was going to put them up last week, and I go to check, and my SD card was malfunctioning, did not record any of it. So all of that content that I created is no longer here in the universe. So therefore, I'm going to give you guys a recap of what I do have, walk y'all through everything that I did, and y'all get to see the final product. But I do have a little bit of footage. So if you guys are ready, why don't we go ahead and get right into it and go check out that footage now. Alrighty. Well, guys, now that we're back, now that you can see all the work that I had to do to put into this, and that is just a quarter of the film that I had. So, without further ado, I'm going to show you guys the finished product. Here we go. Here you go. So we put the clear derby cover on. We put all our buttons on. And then we go over to this side, and this is where we did most of the work. So, you can't see them, but we did the bigger Screaming Eagle wires, plug wires. We finally got our air intake on, the Trask air intake. We've got our machined cam cover. And then we've got our see-through transmission cover. But alright, guys, so that'll do it for today. But I cannot leave y'all without a nice little cold start with the new intake, so y'all can see how it sounds. If it makes it a little louder, a little lower, a little high pitch, I don't know. Let's see what it does. Hold on. All right, let's get ready for this cold start. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Share with everybody. Share my shenanigans. And that's for everybody. All my jets out there. Keep it on twos.